When specifically dealing with visitation orders, there's different types of visitations that we can discuss. Today, I want to explore the differences between the visitation for the parents, grandparent right visitation, and what happens when you're served with a petition requesting for visitation. Hi, I'm Mohajer. I'm a family law attorney practicing in the greater Los Angeles County since 2012. I've been a contributing member of the Los Angeles County Bar Association, and I've been rated by super lawyers since 2019. Now, when dealing with a visitation schedule between parents, it can go in so many different ways. The main thing I hear from my clients is, how would we be able to arrange a 50-50 visitation schedule? So with 50-50, there's really two very common types of schedules. You got a 2-2-3 and a 2-2-5. They're very different. A 2-2-3 basically says that you guys are alternating weekends, Friday to Monday, but the difference between the 2-2-3 and the 2-2-5 is that if week one you have Monday and Tuesday, week two you're gonna have Wednesday and Thursday. And then the other parent's gonna have the other days in the middle of the week. And then you alternate Friday to Monday. A 2-2-5, on the other hand, makes it consistent where every week you have the same 2 days as a midweek visit, whether it's Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday, Thursday. But you two still will alternate the weekends, Friday to Monday. Now, when dealing with grandparent visitation, that's a whole different ballgame. Grandparent visitation rights don't give them the same rights as a parent has. Grandparent visitation, there's so many factors that go into play. For example, the grandparent has to establish that there's an engendered bond between the grandparent and the minor child, just for the court to consider a court-ordered visitation schedule. Also, another factor is whether the grandparent has lost that connection with the minor child due to the fact that the parent on their side is either incarcerated, deceased, or completely not in contact with them. So courts aren't easily just handing out grandparent visitations, but you have to make sure you put your best foot forward and fight for what you need. Now, what happens if you get served with a petition for a visitation schedule and you do nothing? Well, it's very simple. If I were to argue to you about a certain point of view and no one else is there to tell you anything otherwise, you're gonna go ahead and believe my word for it. And same thing happens in court. If you don't step forward and contest what the other parent is requesting, and you go ahead and let it slide, the court only has one story, one side of the story to go off of to make orders. At the end of the day, the court's gonna make orders what they believe is in the best interest of your child. But if you're not there to voice your concerns or to advocate on behalf of your child or yourself, then you're not gonna be able to step in and get the order that you deserve or that your kid deserves. If you have more questions about your case or you're concerned about how to handle your case, we offer a free initial consultation. Give us a call, contact us online. I'll be happy to speak with you one-on-one and figure out the best strategy for your case.